I didn't even see rook takes g2. I saw rook takes d2, but I didn't see rook g2. Last one, you guys, last one. 8. Okay. Good. It's mate. 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 Mm-hmm. 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 There's bishop g5 or something, or okay. Mm-hmm. Should be check, I guess. There we go. 36 up. That's good. 37 up. We just check and mate. Must be here and here, and just that's good. She takes and takes and just block. Should be mate in 2 somehow. Wait, queen c6, king b4. Okay. Oh wait, there's a free rook. Okay, there we go. Should be check, checkmate. That's good. Should just be okay. There we go. That's good. Good. Okay. Bishop takes f6. I guess just takes. That's good. So free queen. That's good. Yes, g3 and queen e2. Okay, very weird. That's good. There should be a way to triangulate. I guess check. That's good. Is it queen e4, g6? There we go. That's good. It's knight c7 or knight d6. Maybe I should have used more time there. I don't know. Maybe I should have used more time, but I thought what I did was right. Okay, rook d8. It must be rook e1. That's good. Now it's king d7 or king c7, I guess. Or king c6. Wait. There we go. Very tricky puzzle. There we go. Is it rook c7? And that's good. Probably takes and check. That's good. There's rook takes e6. There's also rook c7. It must be this. I don't know what this is. That's good. Question is whether it's rook e6 or queen f3. Oh no, it's queen d6. What am I doing? Wait, rook a6, bishop d4. Oh shoot. Ah. Oh, it's bishop f4 check.